Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tutorials. How are you? I hope you are safe in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. In this video, we will see the arithmetic operator in SQL with the help of some example. In arithmetic operator, we will see first is add operator, second is subtract, third is multiply, fourth is division, and last is modulo operator. Before going to the actual demo, please subscribe my channel, watch the video up to the end. If you like the video, do not forget to share it. Firstly, I start the server with the help of command mysql -h localhost -u root. MariaDB server started. Some of the students may have MySQL here. If you are using the Ubuntu operating system, then how to start the MySQL server, that command is given in the description box. Please check it. For arithmetic operator, we are using the same database that we have created in our first video of MySQL. Our database name is Rohit Tutorial. In that, we have created the student as a table. So same scenario we are using for these arithmetic operators. So for using the database, I use the command use Rohit tutorials semicolon enter. Our database is changed. Next, how our student table look like? With the help of select command, select star from student. Star is nothing but retrieving each and every attribute from the table. So our student consists of first attribute roll number, second attribute name, third is age, fourth is subject 1, and last is subject 2. Before this arithmetic operator, we have seen the DDL and DML command, relational operator, pattern matching, and logical operator. The video link for all these operators is given in the description box. Now we will move towards our first arithmetic operator, addition. With the help of addition operator, I retrieve those information from the table having subject 1 plus subject 2 marks is greater than 100. So for that, I use the command select star from student where clause what we want, subject 1 plus subject 2, subject 1 plus subject 2 is greater than 100. Semicolon. Press enter. So this record is retrieved. Roll number 1, name is Rohit, age is 22, subject 1 is 54, and subject 2 is 55. Addition of 54 and 55 is 109. So that's why this information is retrieved. What about others? For Akash, 60 plus 30, 90. Next for Preeti, 48 plus 50, 98. For Dhanu, 45, 45, 90. And for Mahesh, 59, 40, it is 99. So because of that, only roll number 1 information is retrieved from the table. It is having the addition of 2 subjects is greater than 100. Now second operator, subtract. So with the help of subtract operator, I retrieve those information from the table having subject 1 marks minus subject 2 marks is less than 10. So for that, I use the command select star from student where subject 1 minus subject to is less than 10, semicolon. Press enter. So subject on mass is 45 minus 55 is minus 1, so which is less than 10. For second, 48 minus 50, it is minus 2, which is less than 10. And last is 45 minus 45, 0. What about roll number 2 and roll number 5? Just check it. For roll number 2, Akash, subject 1 is 60, subject 2 is 30, 60 minus 30, result is 30, which is not less than 10. So that's why this information is not retrieved. And second, for Mahesh, 59 minus 40, it will give a value 19, so which is also not less than 10. So that's why this information is not retrieved from the table. Now, the third arithmetic operator, multiplication. Before this, first, where is our student table? So this is our student table. In this, I retrieve those information from the table having subject 1 marks multiply by 2, which is greater than 100. So for that, I use the command select star from student where subject 1 multiply by 2, which is greater than 100, semicolon. So for Rohit, subject 1 marks is 54, multiply by 2, it will get 108. Second, for Akash, subject 1 marks is 60, multiply by 2, we are getting 120, which is greater than 100. For Mahesh, subject 1 marks is 59, multiply by 2 is 118, which is greater than 100. What about others? Roll number 3 and 4. Roll number 3, Preeti. Subject 1 marks is 48, into 2, we are getting the value 96, which is less than 100. And for Danu, subject 1 marks is 45, multiply by 2, 90, which is less than 100. So that's why these two tuples are not retrieved from the table. Now move towards our fourth arithmetic operator, division. In that, I retrieve those information from the table having subject 1 plus subject 2 marks divided by 2, which is greater than 50. Means, suppose here subject 1 marks is 54, subject 2 marks is 55, addition of this divided by 2, whatever the answer comes which is greater than 50, those values should be retrieved from the table. For that, I use the command select star from student where in bracket subject 1 plus subject 2 divided by 2, which is greater than 50. So I use the bracket for this operation. Okay. After that, semicolon, press enter. So here subject 1 plus subject 2 divided by 2, which is greater than 50. In this, the roll number 1 tuple is retrieved from the table. So subject 1 marks is 54, subject 2 marks is 55, addition is 109, divided by 2, we are getting the value 54, which is greater than 50. So that's why this information or the tuple is retrieved from the table. What about others? This is our actual table. So for Akash, 60 plus 30, 90, divided by 2, we are getting the value 45. Here 48, 50, addition is 98, divided by 2, 49 we are getting, which is less than 50. So that's why not retrieved. 45, 45, 90, divided by 2, we are getting the 45 which is less than 50, so that's why not retrieved. And for last, we are getting here the value 99 divided by 2, we are getting the value 49 which is less than 50, so that's why not retrieved. Only information of Rohit is retrieved from the table. The command to show the actual table, select star from student. So this is our actual table. So now we are using the modulus operator. With the help of modulus operator, I retrieve those information from the table having subject 1 marks modulus subject 2 marks which is greater than 10. Modulus is nothing but the remainder. Suppose subject 1 marks is 54 and subject 2 marks is 55. So 54 modulus 55, we are getting the value 54, which is considered as a remainder. So for that, I use the command select star from student where subject 1 modulus subject 2 which is greater than 10, semicolon, press enter. So we are getting this information, subject 1 modulus subject 2 which is greater than 10. So 54 modulus 55, we are getting the value 54, so which is greater than 10. 48 modulus 50, we are getting the value 48 which is greater than 10. Next is 59 modulus 40, we are getting the value 19 which is greater than 10. What about others? Roll number 2 and roll number 4. Roll number 2 Akash. 60 modulus 30, we are getting the value 0 because 30 into 2 60, so that's why we are getting the value 0. Next is Dhanu, roll number 4, 45 modulus 45, again we are getting the value 0 because 45 is completely divide 45, so that's why we are getting the value 0. So this is all about our arithmetic operator. We have seen first addition operator, second is subtraction operator, third is multiplication operator, fourth is division operator, and last is modulus operator. I hope you understood each and every concepts of arithmetic operators. If you like the video, please share it and not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.